Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. 2022 is fast coming to a wrap, and I thought I'd take the opportunity to thank everyone that supported Big Dog Builds this year. We've had a massive one. Started off with a heap of rams come through the shed, quickly became the Carly biggest suppliers here in Australia, if not one of the biggest in the world, which we're really proud of. So shout out to CJC Off-Road, Carly USA. We've also done a heap with Off-Road Creative here, so shout out to Brad and the team there. And then we've also done heaps with Method Race Wheels and a heap of other suppliers here in Australia. So the supply is only one part. The biggest shout out to all of our customers. So customers that we've had from day one have been very, very supportive. I can't thank them enough. They've entrusted Big Dog Builds, myself and the team here, to make their dreams happen. And I'm stoked to, very, very proud of all of the builds that we have done. So we've definitely made an impact in the HD truck market here. We've done some wicked Rams, we've done some awesome Fords, and some really tough Chevys. 2023 is going to be massive for the Chevy market, we feel, here in Australia. The Chevys, the Fords, the Rams, and the HDs. We've done a few awesome 1500 builds as well. And we're really, really excited to get into R&Ding all of these new platforms that are coming to Australia. Cam and I are very, very proud with the team that we've created. Alex was our OG from the start. He's quickly turned into running the floor with a good team of guys beside him. So the guys on the floor have been instrumental in the output of these vehicles, the quality of workmanship that these boys provide onto the vehicles that the customers are entrusting us with. We've also got the family members of everyone involved in the business. Big shout out to G. Couldn't have done it without a supportive wife myself. We've put an amazing amount of hours into this venture, and yeah, we're looking forward to doing the same thing in 2023. We've got some big ideas. We've got some big plans in place. We might outgrow the shed, who knows, but we're very, very grateful with everything that we've had this year. Shout out to Al, we've done some awesome videos this year as well, so we couldn't have done it without him. We've only got one beach day out here, so next year we're planning on getting out with a few more customers and using these trucks and showing people what they're actually used for. We look forward to any feedback from the customers as to what you'd like to see in 2023. We look forward to making the big one, guys. Enjoy the clip ahead.